For centuries, humanity has been divided between two financial worlds, socialism and capitalism. Both promise prosperity, but through opposite philosophies. Capitalism believes in freedom. Socialism believes in equality. Each claims to create a better world, yet their definition of justice is not the same. This is the story of how money built ideologies, and how ideologies built the modern financial system. In the 18th century, the Industrial Revolution gave birth to capitalism. Factories rose, trade expanded, and markets came alive. Private property became sacred, and profit became the ultimate goal. Banks, investors, and entrepreneurs shaped the New World economy. The more you produced, the richer you became. But while innovation thrived, inequality grew. The gap between the owner and the worker widened. As inequality spread, a new voice rose against the chaos of free markets. Thinkers like Karl Marx claimed that workers were slaves to profit. Socialism was born, demanding fairness, equality, and shared ownership. Factories, land, and banks would belong to the people, not the few. The state became the guardian of equality, ensuring that no one was left behind. But as control grew stronger, innovation began to slow. At the heart of both systems lies one eternal question: who should control the money? Capitalism believes money brings freedom. Socialism believes money brings responsibility. Freedom without justice leads to chaos. Justice without freedom leads to stagnation. The perfect system may not exist, but balance can. Money is not just a tool, it is power, and power always seeks control. Today, most nations live between two worlds, a mix of capitalism and socialism. Governments regulate banks but allow competition. Markets create innovation, while social policies reduce poverty. The digital age turned money into data and power into algorithms. The modern financial system is not just about wealth. It's about who holds control over information. Technology and artificial intelligence are reshaping money itself. Automation may replace workers, or it may liberate them. Will wealth belong to corporations, governments, or humanity? The future of finance depends on how we balance fairness and freedom. Perhaps the answer is not in one ideology, but in learning from both. As the sun rises over a changing world, we face a simple truth: money is not the enemy. It is a reflection of who we are. In the hands of greed, it divides us. In the hands of wisdom, it unites us. The future of finance is not written in numbers, but in the hearts of those who choose balance over power. This is not the end of an era. It's the beginning of a new one.